Hello everyone, today we will be solving an integral example for beginners, so let's start. Integral from 2 to 4 of 8x cubed minus 6x squared plus x plus 4 dx. To solve this one, we need to use the power rule of integration that says integral x to the power n dx equal x to the power n plus 1 over n plus 1 plus c. If we use it in our example, it will be 8x power 4 over 4 minus 6x cubed over 3 plus x squared over 2 plus 4x from 2 to 4. Whoa. Next step is to simplify the equation, so it will be 2x power 4 minus 2x cubed plus x squared over 2 plus 4x. Now we replace x by the boundaries and we will get 2 times 4 power 4 minus 2 times 4 cubed plus 4 squared over 2 plus 4 times 4 minus 2 times 2 power 4 minus 2 times 2 cubed plus 2 squared over 2 plus 4 times 2. In the final step, we calculate to get the result. So we have 512 minus 128 plus 8 plus 16 minus 32 minus 16 plus 2 plus 8. The result will be 382. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more.